Hello children, welcome to EVS class. All of you open your EVS book, Our Environment, page number 20. Page number 20. Up to this we have finished studying, so we'll see the next one. Every part of our body is useful to us. So whichever parts are there, body parts, all are useful. Our body is very precious for us. It is very precious for us. Our body is very important for us. Okay. So we should take care of our body. We should not neglect it. We should take care of our body. We cannot replace the parts. If your hand breaks, can you replace the hand with another hand? No, we cannot do that. Once the part is lost, it is lost. Okay. So you have to take proper care of your body. Keeping our body clean. So here they have given how to keep our body clean. So first one is wake up early in the morning. It is very important, children. Early in the morning you must get up and do the exercise. If you get up at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 11 a.m., 10 a.m., that is not a good habit. You have to get up early in the morning. Okay. Second, go to the toilet regularly. Every day you must go to the toilet, and this is a good habit. You must get up early in the morning and you have to go to the toilet. Children, you must eat. You must eat food for your body. Then you must remove the waste also. Okay, when you go for the toilet, you are removing the waste from the body. If you will not go to the toilet, what will happen? All waste will accumulate in the body and your body will become poisonous. Okay. So every day you must go to the toilet. Third one, brush your teeth in the morning and at night. Every day you must brush your teeth twice, in the morning and at night. Fourth one, take a bath every day and dry your body with a clean towel. So every day you must take bath and you must dry your body with a clean towel. If you take wet towel or dirty towel will have bacteria, germs in that. And when you will rub that dirty towel on the clean body, the germs will enter your body. They will enter your body. They will sit on your body. So always it's better to take a clean towel to dry your body. So we'll see the next, fifth one. Comb your hair and wear clean clothes. See, every day you must comb your hair. Okay, then only the hair will grow. They are nourished. See, if you don't comb your hair, then what will happen? They will get entangled. Okay, and it is not a good sign. So every day you must comb your hair and clothes should be clean. If you are playing in the mud and all, those should be kept for cleaning. And clean clothes should be worn. Sixth one, wash your hands before and after eating food, after going to the toilet and after playing. See how many times you have to wash the hands? Before eating the food, after eating the food, after going to the toilet and after playing. After these all processes you have to wash your hands. Okay, next. Cut your nails with a nail cutter at least once a week. This is very important. Nowadays we have seen children will not cut the nails. They will just grow like for fashion and all. But you are too small. Don't do that. If mama is doing, it's okay. But for children you must trim the nails so that all mud and all will not accumulate in the nails. And while eating it will enter your body and you will fall ill. For this purpose you are going to trim your nails. Select one day like Sunday. Sunday you can select, and every Sunday you must trim your nails. If your mama forgets, you must tell, Mama, today is Sunday, trim my nails, Mama, you must tell. Okay, you must not wait for anyone to tell you people that you must trim the nails. On Sunday you can tell your parents to trim your nails. Okay, in this way you can keep your body clean. And keeping your body healthy, we'll see in the next class, children. Okay, so keep reading, keep growing. Thank you, children.